Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. Can you see this presentation also? Okay. 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 We'll just wait for a few more minutes, then we'll start. Okay. We shall start now. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ambuj. I am research scholar at IIT Kharagpur. I am from Agricultural and Food Engineering Department. I welcome you all in this online live interactive session. It is for the course Privacy and Security in Online Social Media. This course is taught by Professor Ponnu Rangam Kumar Guru from Triple IT, Hyderabad. Okay. So what we will do in this session that based on the previous week's content, I'll walk you through to some multiple choice questions, and what you have to do, you have to answer them to the best of your knowledge by using this chat box. Okay, you have to type the correct option in the chat box which is there in this Google Meet. Okay, so let us begin. The first question for the day is this. Let me read the question for you. What is the critical challenge that Latanya Sweeney's research on K anonymity addresses? Okay. Your options are: make data sets larger for analysis, eliminate data from data sets, anonymize data without losing utility, or ignore research utility for better privacy. Okay. Try to just answer this question. Okay. Oh, you are not able to see the slide. Is it with everyone? Please confirm. Then, if any issue is there, then you can just rejoin. According to me, I have joined through two devices and it is visible. Okay. Yeah, yeah, you can see it. Asad, please rejoin. You will be able to see it. Okay. There is no issue, I think, from my side. Please rejoin. Yeah, please try to answer this question. What is the critical challenge that Latanya Sweetney's research on K anonymity addresses? And your options are: make data sets larger for analysis, eliminate data from data sets, anonymize data without losing utility, or is it ignore research utility for better privacy? Please try to answer. Only one answer I am seeing here. Please try to answer. Take your time. There is no hurry. Please try to answer. Okay. Asad, can you see it now? Yeah, good. Please remember it is a single choice question. I already told you that whenever it will be MSQ, multiple select question, I will tell you. So try to give only one option, okay? Yeah. A and C. You some are saying A, some are saying C. Okay. Okay. Let us see what would be the correct option. Please do answer. A lot of people have joined, but only few are answering. Please try to answer. There is no penalty, there is nothing, no punishment, okay, for wrong answers. This is a practice session for you guys, so try to be as responsive as possible, okay? Yeah. Please do answer. Okay. You think C, some people think A. Okay, that's great. Please try to answer. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Then I'll tell you what is the theory behind this question. Okay. As well as we will discuss why other options are incorrect. We will discuss this question in detail. It is the basic. Okay. It's an important question. Okay. From Sweeney's research on K anonymity. Okay. Yeah. Please try to answer. Okay. Now let us look at what is the correct option. Okay. The correct option is C. What is says anonymized data without losing utility. Okay. Other option was a make datasets larger for analysis. No, this is done through neural network. Okay. Or you can say from regression analysis. Okay. Neural network regression or simple regression, okay, to generate data sets or to make data sets larger. Nowadays general adversarial neural networks, gens, are available. Okay, you must have heard of them. Okay, otherwise I am telling you, to make data sets larger for analysis means what it will do, it will generate try to generate synthetic data. What the synthetic data is, suppose I'm having for example, I am telling you, I am having a data set about, say, for particularly fuel consumption of all the trucks uh, which go through a particular highway. Okay, I want to perform some analysis on the basis of the present data. It is not able to do some regression analysis. So what I will do, I will try to generate some synthetic data. What it does it mean that through the data which I have presently, suppose I am having 100 data points, so I'll try to generate 1000, 1 lakh from them, okay, as much as required. What the thing here is, it tries to fit in the lines, means try to establish a regression equation, or for a better understanding, try to just remember linear regression equation, not every type of regression equation. Okay, it will try to fit between all the data points, and then it will generate a generalized regression equation, and then how many number of data points are required, it will generate automatically for you. Okay, and there are several parameters like goodness of fit is there, regression coefficient is there, so we have to maximize it. So what the thing here is that GAN, what I told you, they are used for this purpose, make data sets larger for analysis. Okay, other methods are also there, synthetic data generation. It's a whole research field. Okay, so several types of methods are there. Okay, but the most favorable one I have already told you, which is in demand nowadays. Okay, which is in particular usage nowadays. Okay, so you can in your leisure time try to see about it. Okay, read some research papers. What are GANs, and you can also implement in your own research. Okay, the other option was eliminate data from datasets. This we don't do. Okay, in general we don't do. This is outlier detection method. Means what the thing here is, outlier means the data which does not fit into our data set. Okay, we try to eliminate it. This is meant by eliminating data from data sets. Okay, which we generally don't perform. Okay, it is generally done when we have to make a particular regression equation, or we want to fit a equation, it is not getting fit. Okay, so it comes under data pre-processing. Okay, it is not related to your K anonymity addresses. Okay, now, and another option was ignore research utility for better privacy. No, we don't want this thing. Okay, particularly in those course, what we are trying to say, that we can do research also from the data which we gather from online social media platforms. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, and we want to optimize or we want to maintain privacy also of the users. Okay, so it would be beneficial for us also. We can perform our research also. Already I have shown you through multiple examples, multiple Python codes. Okay, how we are doing this research. Okay, at the same time we are trying to maintain privacy also. Okay, let us look at in great detail the critical challenge that Latanya Sweeney research on K anonymity addresses is anonymizing data without losing utility. This is the great challenge. Okay, what we have to do, we have to anonymize the data. Okay, see, try to see here. Okay, K anonymity addresses, anonymizing the data without losing utility. This is the main thing here. Okay, we want to maintain privacy also, at the same time we want to utilize the data also. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, yeah, she focuses on how to ensure that data sets containing personal information can be shared and analyzed for research or for public benefit. Okay, while still protecting the privacy of individuals within those data sets. Okay, she does this by developing techniques that obscure identifying details while minimizing the impact on the data usefulness. That is already I have told you. Okay, particularly, I have shown you in the last class how we can extract information using APIs. Tweet API, I have already shown you. Facebook Graph API, I have already shown you. Okay, so same thing is being said here. We are trying to what we are trying to do. We are trying to maintain the privacy of the individuals, and at the same time, we are trying to extract the useful data. Okay, the correct option would be C. Okay, other options are incorrect. Why they are incorrect? Because first one was make datasets larger for analysis. No, this is not the main focus of K anonymity. Okay, second option was eliminate data from datasets. No, this can be a technique which is used in K anonymity, but no, it is not significantly it can also significantly reduce data utility also. Okay, we are trying to reduce the data points, so it might impact wrongly also. Okay, other option was ignored research utility for better privacy. I have already told you. While Sweeney prioritizes privacy, she also recognizes the importance of maintaining data utility for research and other purposes. K anonymity aims to find a balance between these two objects. What objectives? What is it? We will look at it in great detail in the next slide. Okay, try to see this. Okay, yeah. Latanya Sweeney is a prominent researcher. Okay, she is a prominent researcher in the field of data privacy and security. Her work has significantly impacted various areas, including K anonymity. Try to understand this concept. What is K anonymity? Okay, try to see here. This theory, considered one of her most well known contributions, focuses on anonymizing datasets by ensuring each record cannot be uniquely identified within a group of K similar individuals. What the meaning here is means K anonymous individuals or K similar individuals were there, and I am trying to anonymize the datasets within between them. Okay, this is the meaning here. She has published influential papers on K anonymity, which has been widely cited and continued to reshape the data anonymization practices. Okay, this is still a research topic here. Okay, data anonymization, particularly in the context of this particular course, it's still required as well as it's still deemed of. Okay, nowadays various researches are going on in this particular field. Okay, try to see this. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Identifiability of de-identified data. Okay, perhaps her most famous work involved demonstrating the vulnerability of supposedly anonymized data. Okay, she showed that by combining seemingly innocuous attributes like date of birth, gender, and zip code, it was possible to re-identify individuals in a supposedly anonymized medical dataset with 87% accuracy. This is the meaning here. Okay, try to say this. Okay, 87% accuracy she has been able to achieve. How? It's important for us. What she's trying to say, that we can make a group of attributes. Okay, if I'm giving you directly the attributes of a particular information, then certainly I'll not be able to make it fully anonymous. Okay, everyone would be able to see what is the particular name, date of birth, zip code, everything would be publicly visible. But from these particular attributes, if I can make a sub attribute which I can decode and encode with a particular logic, then what the thing here is, the identity of the person itself becomes anonymous. Okay, this is the main concept here. Okay, this is what is written here. This groundbreaking research exposed the limitations of traditional anonymization techniques and highlighted the need for more robust privacy preserving methods. Okay, this was major research, and this further prompted the scientists as well as the researchers to continue research in this privacy preserving methods. Okay, this is the meaning here. Try to remember. Okay. Yeah. Other research areas are Sweeney's contribution extend beyond K anonymity and data indefinable identifiability. Okay. She has explored various aspects of data privacy and security, including medical informatics, surveillance, biometrics, policy, and law. Okay. And the overall impact was her research has significantly impacted our understanding on data and privacy and security. Okay. She has exposed vulnerabilities in existing practices, informed the development of new privacy preserving techniques, and influenced policy discussions around data protection. She is considered as a pioneer in the field and continues to contribute valuable insights through her ongoing research and data advocacy efforts. Okay, this is the meaning here. This is the major concepts which are involved. Try to remember K anonymity as well as the aspects of her research, how she is combining various types of data attributes and trying to build another attribute. Okay. And while her combination of the attributes or the approach maintains the anonymity, it at the simultaneously it provides us the valuable information which we can use for our own research. Okay. Okay, so let us go through our next question. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, then you can ask. Please do ask. You can unmute yourself as well as use the chat box. If you are having any doubt anywhere, please do ask. Okay. I'm saying you multiple times. Please do ask. If everything is clear, then we can go to next question. As well as in the end also, or in anywhere, you can ask your doubts. Okay. Try to clear your doubts. Try to be as interactive as possible. Okay. You can unmute yourself if you think your mic is good. Okay, let us go through this question.
Sir, I
Suppose.
want to ask you that can you repeat the last part in Hindi?
Okay, okay. Which part? Just
Sir, you were
be with.
saying something about a lady who has achieved something.
About what? Please be a bit louder.
Sir, you were saying about that she has achieved something. I was confused at that point time.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, I'll just repeat. I'll just repeat. What the meaning here is, she was able to achieve a few major important things. The first important thing was what her research was. She was trying to extract useful information from a particular data set. Okay, as well as she was trying to maintain privacy also. Okay, this is the thing here. So how she was able to achieve it? By creating a combination of attributes. Okay, see, here I have written like attributes are there: date of birth, gender, zip code. Okay, if the particular combination I am able to make and I am able to encode as well as decode, okay, according to a particular set of rules. Okay, so what I can do, I can maintain the anonymity. Okay, as well as I can extract the valuable information. So this was the thing which she was able to achieve. Okay, and this is her major contribution in the field of privacy and online social media security. Okay, the thing here is, whenever a survey is conducted, try to understand in this format manner. A survey is conducted, then all the information with name, date of birth, and various attributes are listed down, and an excel file is prepared. Okay, try to understand in simple terms. Then what the thing here is, if I try to do some kind of research, then it won't be anonymous. The major thing here is, it won't be anonymous. I will be able to know each and every individual detail. but she gave this concept, that by combining seemingly innocuous attributes like this, all the attributes like date of birth, okay, like gender, zip code, and she was able to re-identify the individuals, okay, in a supposedly anonymized medical data set with 87% accuracy. This was the accuracy which she was able to achieve, okay. This was the first attempt to extract information, as well as she was able to hide, or she was able to conduct the anonymized research. Okay, is it clear now, or I shall
Yes,
repeat?
yes, sir. Clear, clear.
Okay, 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 okay. Please do ask if any more doubts are there. Please do ask. Okay, otherwise we can proceed. Is it clear? You want some
Yes,
more
sir.
explanation? Okay, okay, okay. Clear to you? Please. Okay, let us go. Okay. Yeah. Our second question, one person has already answered. Asad has answered. Okay. Suppose you are working on a project that involves analyzing sales data for a chain of stores. You are provided with a list of daily sales figures for a particular product over some time. The task is to calculate various statistics such as the total sales, average sales, and maximum sales for that product. Answer the following questions. And the question says, which data structure can significantly enhance the efficiency and simplicity of your calculations? Your first option is Python NumPy list. Then your second option, Python NumPy array. C option is Python variables, and D option is none of these. Already I have gone through many codes. I have gone through. Okay, I've shown you various codes, and inside that, all of the options already we have used, as well as you have predicted what are the outputs. If you have attended my previous sessions, okay. So I've taught you in great detail. Please try to answer. It's a very simple question, but at the same time, it can be complex also. It's a single choice question. Please try to give only one option, A or B. Please clarify. We will clarify each and every option. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. If you have gone through my previous sessions, then it would be easy for you to answer it. Actually, you can eliminate one option very easily. Two options you can eliminate very easily. Okay. Yeah. See, try to understand the question first. It is what is trying to say. You are working on a project that involves analyzing data for a chain of stores. Okay. And then there are daily sales figures. Okay. For a particular product over some time. Okay. And your task is to calculate various statistics like total sales, average sales, maximum sales. Okay. There are a lot of questions in today's session regarding this Python practice. Okay. Already one, two questions in each and every session I try to give you. This session has a lot of more questions. So at the end, I will not give you any further questions. Yeah. Option A or option B, you are confused in between these two only. Okay. Yeah. Please try to answer. Take your time. It's a straightforward question. What you have to do, you have to calculate the total sales, you have to calculate the average sales, you have to calculate the maximum sales. Okay. And which data structure can significantly enhance the efficiency and simplicity. It is saying that you have to enhance the efficiency as well as you have to make the calculation simpler. Okay. So how you can do it? This is the challenge. Okay. Majority people say here B, option B. A and C have got a few words. Okay. And none of these has got no words. Good. Okay. Okay. Let us see the option. Okay. It would be Python NumPy array. Why? Already I have told you in previous sessions, NumPy library has got various attributes which facilitates us to perform this operation by just writing a particular function, by just calling a particular function. Like if I am importing my NumPy library and I am calling it as np, then np.sum, and the particular attribute will facilitate me to perform the total sales. Np.sum will give me total sales directly. Okay. In the similar fashion, I can go with average sales. In a similar fashion, I will go with maximum sales. List also we can do it. Okay. It is not impossible to do it with numpy list, but here the question was to how you can do it very efficiently as well as simplicity, with simplicity. Okay. For numpy, for performing this operation with numpy list, you have to go through various operations. You have to search the whole list, then you would be able to do this particular operation. And Python variables, try to understand these basic terms. Python variables means variable, like in class 10th or 12th, or just in class 8th only, we used to solve linear equations with two variables, with one variable. Okay. Variable, same meaning, the variable which is there in that particular linear equation, same meaning is there here in Python variable. Okay. Only just there, that those were algebraic variables, these are Python variables, only the name has changed. Okay. Variable is a particular value which can take any numerical as well as string value. String means these letters. Okay. Like for example, your name. Okay. So it is a string. This is the meaning here. Okay. So any variable. Okay. Variable means it can take any numerical value as well as it can take any particular string value. Okay. This is the meaning here. Okay. Let us go through. The answer would be Python numpy array. Okay. Why? Because NumPy arrays are designed for efficient mathematical and statistical operations on large data sets. Okay. They offer vectorized calculations, meaning the same operation can be applied to all elements of the array simultaneously, significantly speeding up computations compared to looping over the list. Okay. I already told you, through list also you can perform these operations, but you have to completely rely on looping. Already that had been created and a function has been added in a library. Okay. This is the thing here. Yeah. Same thing is written here. Python numpy list. While you could perform the calculations within a list, it would be much less efficient. This is the thing here. Loops are required for each and every calculation. Okay. What is the meaning of loop? Loop means command over a command. Okay. Particularly, you have to repeat the commands. Okay. You have to go through, if it is a two-dimensional list, you have to go through row, you have to go through column. This same thing has been done, already done, and a function has been created. It's known as a pre-built function. Okay. You can use it and you can perform the calculation. This is the meaning here. Okay. Leading to a slower execution and possibly increased memory usage. Okay. Python variables, yeah, using individual variables for each statistic you want to calculate would be cumbersome. Yeah, already I have told you, and impractical, especially for larger data sets. Okay. What it is, the meaning here, that for every operation you can create a variable. Okay. 15 variables you are having. Okay. You can store them in a Python variables like a, b, c, d, or x1, x2 till x15, and then you can manually write that what would be my total or average sales. For total sales, you can again create a variable named total sales, and then you can say total sales will be equal to the sum of all variables, means x1 to x15. You can do it, but it would be a cumbersome process, and I was trying to ask you what would be the most efficient process. Okay. Therefore, a NumPy array offers the best combination of efficiency and simplicity for your calculations on the sales data. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, let us go through some more NumPy array functions. I'll walk you through because these are required when the class is over. I put you the PPT of the class in this particular Google Docs. Okay, try to go through it. Okay, I have already provided the link to you. Okay, I can just share it once again. Okay, try to go through it. Okay, try to go through the video lectures also. If possible, you are not understanding anything, then you can go through them. And after the class, try to revise this particular session as well as the particular functions or particular things which I have already told you. Okay, like here, I have provided you rich set of functions for creating, manipulating, and analyzing arrays. Okay, some key functions I'll try to walk you through. np dot array. Okay, what it does, it creates an array, okay, from various data types like list, tuples, or other arrays. What do you mean by each and everything? List, already you know, means particular list, not organized in an array. Okay, means the indices here are not known. Okay, similarly, pair of two is known as tuple. Okay, like this. The meaning here is, okay, you can create array. Okay, creates an array from various data types. You can create an array from list, from tuples, or other arrays also. You can create an array of array also. Okay, this is also possible. Okay, other thing was np dot zeros. Okay, try to see it. Creates an array filled with zeros. Okay, simple. Then np dot ones. Okay, it creates an array filled with ones. Okay, np dot empty, it creates a null array. Okay, yeah. Then array manipulation, I have told you these many functions. np dot reshape. Okay, reshapes a particular array to a newer dimension. It is required in case of dimension mismatch. Okay, matrix multiplication. Matrix for matrix multiplication, if the condition is not met, then we try to do np dot reshape, or for any other option, or for any other matrix operation, like for finding inverse. Okay, if the particular dimensioning is not available to us, then we will try to reshape it. This is the thing here. Okay, np dot concatenate, this is another thing. Okay, it concatenates array along a specified axis. Okay, what is the meaning of concatenation? It is the meaning here is to join two particular arrays. Okay, then np dot split. Okay, it splits the arrays into multiple sub arrays. This is the meaning here. Then the thing here is np dot h stack. Okay, means stacking the array horizontally, means it would be column wise. Okay, np dot v stack, it would be row wise. This is the meaning here, means you are trying to build a sub array from this particular array by stacking it horizontally or stacking it vertically. Okay, this is, these are various functions which are there in numpy library. Okay, I'll walk you through major of them. Okay, I hope that all the functions which are used in this particular course, I'll try to cover them. Okay, then the thing which was asked here, np dot sum. Okay, means calculating the sum of elements along a specified axis or entire array. Okay, you can calculate it along a particular axis also, or particular for the whole array also. Okay, then np dot mean is there. Okay, then np dot std is there for standard deviation. np dot min is there, np dot max is there, and element wise arithmetic operations are also supported here. Okay, what are these operations? Plus, minus, divide, and multiply. Okay, this is the thing here. Then np dot median is available here. np dot var means for variance. Then np dot quantile. Okay, you can calculate the functions, various statistical parameters also you can try to calculate using this particular numpy library. Okay, yeah, these are some advanced functions. Okay, np dot dot, it is the matrix multiplication. Try to understand it. Okay, otherwise if you will try to write it and try to go through it. Okay, if you will try to take perform matrix multiplication, then it's done through various methods, like using two for loops is another technique, do while loop also. There are various techniques using loops. Okay, as well as you can write a function also. But here the thing is, we will try to make our code in such a format manner that our operation is just done in one or two lines. Okay, this is the thing here. Yeah, np dot lineal and dot inverse, this computes the inverse of a square matrix. Already know from your class 12th. Okay, inverse can only be calculated in the case of a square matrix. Okay, this is the thing here. Then np dot lineal, then dot eig, this is computes the eigenvalues as well as eigenvector of a given square matrix. Okay, this is the thing here. Then you can perform logical operations also. np dot logical slash underscore and then array 1, then array 2. Okay, in this format manner you can perform the and operation. Logical and means both the conditions would be true, then the answer would be yes, otherwise it would be no. Okay, this is the logical or. Okay, in the place of and you have to perform here or. Okay, this facility is also available here. Okay, you can do this using simple Python, making Python functions, as well as using simple Python operations also. But the thing here is the facility is available here. You can do it much in a much more simple manner, as well as in a much more faster manner. Okay. Otherwise, you have to go through loops and loops. Okay. For matrix multiplication, if I'll show you the code, okay, you will say that we are not very happy with it. We want a single line function for this. Okay, means just at the spot, if I want to calculate, then I write this command and it gives me matrix multiplication. Because in larger codes we are not having the leisure time for this type of operations. Okay, we try to minimize them. Okay, yeah, sir, can you give example of plus operation in numpy library? Okay, okay, I'll try to just give you that. Okay, I'll try to give you this. Okay, yeah. Then np dot logical underscore not array. Yeah, it performs logical not operations. Okay. Yeah. Then in indexing also you can perform in this format manner: array, start, then stop, then step. Okay. This is the performance. This is the indexing. Okay. Just try to see it. Okay. Your journey through this particular course as well as through particular lecture would be very easy if you try to understand here that indexes, what do you mean by indexing? Means calling a particular element from a particular array. Okay, if I am trying to calculate, if I'm trying to see a particular element from a particular array, then we call it indexing. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, any doubts in it? Yeah, you were trying to say yeah, if I can give you an example of plus operator in lumpy library. Okay, okay, let me just save this. Okay, plus operation means what are you trying to say? AND operation? Okay, please clarify. Is it AND or NP dot sum or whatever? Means the question itself is not clear. Plus operation operator means what you want to say? You want me to shown that in first slide of NumPy. Okay, first slide of NumPy. Okay, this slide. Okay, okay, function slide. Okay, okay, okay. You want okay, concatenation. Okay. Yeah, please try to understand. Concatenation is not equal to plus. Okay, plus operator. It is not said like that, nor is the meaning. Okay, meaning for your understanding, I am telling you, concatenation is carried out particularly in case of strings. Okay, like for your name, I am saying that Pawan is a good boy. Okay, oh, okay, Pawan Ramnani. This is your name. Okay, and other string A is Pawan Ramnani. Okay, another string is a good boy. Okay, so by combining both these strings means np dot concatenate. This is the thing here. I'll write the function import numpy is np. Okay, okay. Then I'll declare both the arrays. Array A is would be your name, Pavan Ramnani. Okay. Second array it would be array B. B would be is a good boy. Okay. Then I'll try to say np dot concatenate A comma B, and if I want to give access, it is truly based on my opinion. Okay, I'll try to say it like that: C equal to np dot concatenate, and in the bracket I'll put parameters A and B. Okay, I'll put two strings A and B, and then when I will say it print C, what it would give me a string. It would say Pawan Ramnani is a good boy. This is the meaning here. It is particularly carried out in strings. Okay, understood? Good, very good. Okay, this is the meaning here. Please try to go through all these functions. These are very important, and if you can write a program by yourself, okay, try to use these functions, then you will remember them for a very long time. If you are a BTech student, or if you are at undergrad or postgrad, or even at PhD, or after PhD also, whenever these are the basic things of uh, Python. Okay. And if you want to use Python programming, then particularly these type of functions are very useful for you people. Okay, have a good understanding of these all the functions. Whenever this class closes, okay, I'll give you the PPT. Try to write a program which involves one or two or multiple functions. Okay, like particularly write a program. Okay, install Jupyter library. Now at Python programming you can practice in your phone also, as well as your laptop also. Okay, so try to see it how you can use some online editors. If you are having phone also, then also it is possible. Okay, or if you are having a laptop, please try to install Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda, or directly you can use Google Colab. There is no issue. Okay. After that, in Google Colab, try to write some programs. See some sample programs before writing it from internet. How you can use NumPy, and try to use each and every particularly function which I have already told you. I have told you the syntaxes of these particular functions, but your responsibility is to use these functions. We will go through some questions, don't worry about it, but this solid understanding will happen only if you will go in Google Colab. You can use it on phone also, it works fine. Okay, otherwise you can use it on laptop, there is no issue. Okay, you have option of Jupyter Notebook also. Please use any of these platforms and try to write a program which involves all or some of these functions. Okay, so your understanding would be built. Suppose you are particularly finding a particular function which is difficult to use, just try to use it in a program. Okay, okay, then your understanding would be built, and you would also realize that what errors I am committing while writing a particular program. Okay, and minimizing errors as well as repeating the programs is the only way to sail through in Python. Okay, or any programming language. When I will try, I'm speaking in English, how I am able to speak it, because I have practiced it. Okay, so in this similar format manner, Python is also a programming language. It's a language. Okay. So try to write it in it, then your understanding as well as your thinking would be developed. So you would be able to perform your operations, or whatever tasks you want to do, you would be able to do them with using Python. Okay. Okay, let us move through our next question. Fill in the correct function, calculate total sales list, which calculates the total sales from a list of daily sales figures using NumPy in the below code. Already I have gone you through all the NumPy functions. Okay. So what the code here says, import numpy as np and define calculate total sales list. Okay, it's saying here write your code here from in at this place only you have to put any of these two lines. Okay, then what it says, return total sales, and it has given you an array like daily sales. Okay, and total sales, when it is saying it is calling that particular function only, calculate total sales. Okay, and you are passing the daily sales as array in that particular function, and then you are saying print total sales, means it will print total sales, and it will try to print what is the content inside that particular variable. Okay, and what would be the particular function? Okay, that is what I am asking here. Okay, your options are given here. Okay, if you go through all the options A and B, only one difference is there, which I can see. Option C is there, np dot concatenate. Okay, I have already told you for what it is used, so answer accordingly. Okay, D is none of the above. Okay, yeah. Please do answer. I have explained you the question also. These type of questions are very common in your examination, which you will appear through. Most of you will appear through. Okay, for certification, please try to go through this type of questions. Okay, two answers we have received. Okay, A. Yeah, please try to see. If there is any other possibility also, you can mark. There is no penalty here. Please
Sir,
do
I
answer.
want to ask one thing, how can
Yeah.
we answer this type of coding questions?
You can answer this type of coding questions. I have already told you just before this session a week's content is released. Okay, go through that content first. Okay, then go through the material which is provided, okay, already in those slides, as well as the coding files are also provided. Then after that, what you can try to do this, you can attend this session. Okay, and if you are having any particular doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, this is the
Sir,
workflow.
we have to go through the lectures first that are uploaded on
Yeah, yeah,
NPTEL website.
yeah. This, the purpose of this online live interactive session is problem solving only, and you would get problems, doubts only if you have gone through the content. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yeah, please try to answer. Only four options are there: A, B, and C, and D. Sir, will we get preparation leave between last week 12 content and exam date? Please try to contact the NPTEL team or try to see the schedule. I think the classes would be till 20 April and I don't know the exam date till yet. Okay. Please try to contact the NPTEL team. They would be able to tell you the exact thing. Okay. So does our attendance in these type of live sessions calculated in our course process? Please try to contact the NPTEL team. They would be in a better position to tell you. But I can ensure you that this whole session and your names and everything, it is being recorded and it is being put in the live in the YouTube platform. Okay, and links are also provided. This information I can tell you, but particularly about this question, please try to contact the NPTEL team. They would be in a better position to answer. Okay, yeah. Please do answer this question. This is not very difficult. I know that some of you have seen it for the very first time, but you can answer it. I think so. Based on the information which I have shared you with today only, based on that information also you can answer. As far as if you need my help in answering this question, only option A is there, option B is there. Only one letter is different. Okay, one word is different. That's the thing is same. Option C is about concatenation. Okay, I have already told you what does it mean and what is the requirement of the question. It wants us to say about the total sales. Okay, and the meaning of the code also I have told you. Please try to answer. If you want some more time, I can give you. There is no issue. Please take 2 minutes time, but try to answer. Okay. Is it so difficult? Only five responses are there. Please try to answer. Do you want me to explain the question once again? Any response? Or it is difficult? Then also you can tell that it is very difficult. Please try to respond. Not at all difficult. Okay, good. Very good. Other people, please try to respond. If it is difficult, then please tell me. I will repeat it, the question, re-explain the question once again for you. Please respond. This live interactive session is for you guys only. If you are understanding something, then please try to give the correct option. If you want to repeat me to repeat the question, then please tell me. Okay. Don't remain silent. Okay. Okay. Anushri says yes. Means you want me to repeat the question once again. Okay, I'll repeat it. Then please try to respond. Okay. This time I want some more responses. Okay, yeah, I will repeat it. See, in this particular question, what the thing here is, there is a particular function here in the second line. See, here it is written DEF means define. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, DEF calculate total sales list. Okay, here. And after this particular thing, write your code here is written means some dot 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 is there. In the place of this, write your code here. You have to write these two. From these all four options, you have to just put two lines. Okay, which lines you would like to put so that we can get total sales. Okay, how this is happening? First, we are importing numpy library as np. Okay, then we are writing this particular function. Okay, then what we are doing here, we are returning the total sales variable. Okay, and here what I am in the second line, this function is over. Okay, in this line daily sales, I am providing you a particular this array. Okay, it is having the daily sale record. Okay, then what I am trying to do in total sales, first I am calling this function and I am passing the daily sale parameter in this function. Okay, and then which two lines I will like to write that it will give me the total sales. Okay, and print total sales, and then it will uh, total sales is in double quotes, it will be printed as it is, and then the variable total sales is there. Okay, so this is the meaning of question here. I am just asking you which two lines I should put in place of this. Write your code here. Okay, this is the thing here. Please try to answer. Very few responses are there. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six people have only responded. One fourth of the class. Please try to respond. Okay. Yeah. Only four options are there. Try to give me the response. I'll walk you through the detailed question. Okay. As well as how these type of questions are tackled. But please try to respond now. You say it B. Okay. Let's see. Between B and C, B and A, only one word is different. Array and list. The other rest things are same. Okay. As far as I can see. Option C is regarding concatenation. Okay. Concatenation I have already explained you. Okay. Yeah. Option A, option B, option B, option A. Okay. Okay. Let us look. What is the correct option? It would be option A. Why? Already I have told you. From list, if you want to calculate the total sales and you write it numpy.sum, np.sum, it will give you error because in list function np.sum is not possible. Here already in this previous detailed numpy library functions, I have told you that np.sum c try to here is valid with array only. Okay, this was the concept. Okay, already I taught you the concept. Then on the basis of this question can be very easily answered. Okay, it would be np dot array means first line C. Try to see the first line of option A. Sales array would be np dot array means sales array would, what it would become. It would be, try to get the parameters of an array. Which array? It would be sales list. Okay, Then total sales will be np dot sum, means it would give me the sum of the entire sales list. Okay, this is the thing here. Then it in the last line it is being printed as total sales. Okay, and then colon, then afterwards the variable total sales would be printed. Okay, let us look at the correct explanation. The correct code for the function calculate total sales list is import numpy is np. First line, try to see this. Okay, import numpy is np. Okay, numpy is a library in Python. I am calling it as np. Okay, this is the syntax here for calling a particular library. Okay, then the thing here would be define calculate total sales list. Sales is in this particular thing the functions which are made in Python. They are made like this only. Okay, def means defining. Okay, then after that name of the function, and in bracket what would be the parameter which would be called upon inside this function. Means this particular function would have a particular input parameter in the name of sales list. Okay, then sales arrays, try to see the second line. Sales array would be an array. It would be, how is it an array? Because I have made it in the form np dot array. Okay, and the input parameter which I have got in this particular function, I have put that in bracket. Okay, then total sales, it would be another variable. It would be np dot sum of that particular array, because this array only facilitates us the thing of it gives us the facility of using the np dot sum function. Okay, otherwise it is not possible for me to do it without np dot sum. It would take me lot of time. I have to walk through each and every element. Okay, and then individually I have to add them using one for loop. Okay, then it would give me the total sales, but here directly I am getting it np dot sum. Okay, then return total sales means this function will give me an output also. It would be total sales. Okay, in the try to see the in the below line, this line, daily sales. Okay, from here I am talking. Okay, daily sales. Okay, it would be a simple list. Okay, 1200, this whole list I have provided. 1200, 1500, 1300, 1400, 1800, 1600. Okay, this all list I have provided you. Okay, then total sales, what would it would be? In the place of total sales, I am calling that particular function calculate total sales. I have already defined the function. This is the structure in Python. Particularly if I am calling a function, means I am writing the name of a particular function, then I have to define it first. Otherwise it will show error. Okay, I have particularly formulated this function above only. Okay, then I have passed the parameter. This is the technical terminology, passing the parameter daily sales. Okay, I have passed the particular parameter daily sales. What here it would be done? Daily sales would be passed. This whole list would be passed in, and it would be received in place of sales list. Okay, because there I have written in bracket sales list, and here I am passing the parameter daily sales. Okay, this is a function which returns value. It takes one input. Okay, here I can pass multiple parameters inside the functions also. Functions are built so as to enhance our operations, and we need not to write repeated uh, codes for carrying out particular functions in a particular program. Okay, suppose I am defining here a function to calculate the calculate the norm of a matrix. Then repeatedly in my program, I can use that particular function repeatedly. Okay, I need not to write that particular code multiple times. Okay, this is the facility which is provided in Python, writing a function. Okay, then at the end, what I am saying, total sales, I am calculating the total sales. Okay, then print total sales as total sales. This particular variable which receives the parameter, this parameter which I have returned from the function, return total sales. Okay, it would be received here and it would be rewritten here in total sales. Okay, this is the thing here. Then I am printing the uh, total sales as the variable total sales. This is the thing here. Okay, so you try to run this whole code. Okay, I have given you the whole code. Try to copy it in Google Colab. Okay, then try to run this, then see what you are getting. Okay, it would enhance your programming skills also. Okay, here is a breakdown of the code. Import numpy. Okay, importing the numpy. Okay, then defining the function. Okay, converting numpy array, calculating the total sales, then return the total cost. Okay, try to go through this explanation. Okay, whatever explanation which I have provided here. Okay, try to go through this. Okay, already I have uh, I have told you what is the meaning of each and every line in that particular code. Here I have written explanation also. Okay, so that when you go through these slides, you build a further more solid understanding. In line of that question only, my second question. Okay, fill in the correct function, calculate maximum sales list, which calculates the maximum sales. Try to answer this question correctly. At this in that particular previous question, what I was saying that calculate the total sales. Here, what I am saying, calculate the maximum sales from a list of daily sales figures using NumPy code. NumPy in the below code. Okay, import NumPy as NP, then defining calculate maximum sales. Then you are getting that input parameter sales list. Then two lines here would be written. Okay, write your own code here. This is written. Okay, then returning maximum sales. Okay, then daily sales would be a list. Okay, then maximum sales, calculate maximum sales. Same line, same thing. Everything is there. Just one word would be different. Okay, already I have given you hint, and then we are printing it. Okay, and four options are given. Similarly, in that particular, if you are in that particular previous question, like that also in option B and option A, only one word is different: list and array. And C option I have kept it the same. Okay, if you are careful, if you are least careful also in my class, then you can please answer this question. Okay, first I have gone let you go through all the numpy functions, then I have told you what is the meaning of each and every line in the previous question. Then I am telling you this, I am asking you this particular question as an extension of these particular two questions only. Okay, please try to answer. Okay, I want maximum response from you guys. Please try to be as responsive as possible. If you are least careful, you can answer this particular question. Okay, please do answer. Only five responses I'm seeing, and please try to be responsive. Try to answer. Try to be regular in these problem solving sessions only. If you are attending these sessions, then you are getting a lot of things as far as my knowledge. As far as my knowledge, okay. Try to go through all the lectures in the previous week, previous lectures. Okay, video lectures have already been provided to you. I think week 4 content has already been released. Okay, yeah. And after that, if you are having any doubt, then we are conducting three particular this type of sessions. Then you can ask also. Okay, there is no issue. Yeah. Okay, please try to answer. Already I have explained you both the previous questions. Shall we move forward, or shall we wait for a few more minutes? You would be responding or not? Seven people have responded. That's great. Few more can respond. Whatever option you think, you can just type. Okay. There is no issue. Okay. Good. Danish, are you understanding?
Sir, I'm trying to understand and reach these keywords.
Okay. Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
it is a little bit confusing. Array and list.
Yeah. It is particularly confusing if you read it for first time. Okay. But after the class, please go through this once again.
But sir,
Then your
this is similar to programming, and I have learned C++, but this is in Python, so it is a
okay.
bit
Okay.
tricky for me.
Okay. No issue. No issue. If you have any doubt, you can put it in chat box. I'll just try to respond it. Okay. Please clarify all your doubts. Your mic is little bit noisy. Okay. Yeah. Let us go through what would be the correct option. As I have already indicated you. Okay. This maximum np.max facility is provided in NumPy array only. It is not provided in list. For list, two, three more lines you have to put in between. Like in option B, what you can just do, you can walk through all the options either using for or using do while loop. Then you can search for each and every element. Okay. Then particularly, it would be a big array. Okay, you have to compare elements, two elements each and every time, then you have to find the maximum. Then in that particular form and manner, if the entire list is visited, then you would be able to say that which is the maximum value. Okay, I have given you the idea, try to implement it. Option B is also implementable. Okay, there is no issue, but particularly this syntax np.maximum would not be applicable here. You have to delete this particular second line and you have to write your two three more lines. Okay, try to do this. Okay, then we can discuss what would be the correct approach. Try to run the code in Google Colab either in phone or in laptop. Okay, there is no issue. Yeah, nb.concatenate, no, this option would not be true. B and C would not be true. D would is nothing. No, nothing is here. Yeah, option A would be there. Okay, this is the thing here. Yeah, the correct answer here is sales array. Okay, np dot array sales list, then maximum sales is np dot maximum. Okay, completed code I have written for you guys, and the maximum sales it would print it as an 1800. Okay, I have run this particular code. Okay, on the basis of that only I am telling you that it is perfectly fine. Okay, try to run it yourself, you would gain more confidence. There is not much to explain here. Okay, out of these values very easily you can see that 1800 is the maximum. Okay, if every line is perfect here, okay, there is no error, then it would give me the maximum value. Okay, any doubt in this question? Anything you want to ask in all the three questions, second, third and fourth? Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask, otherwise we can move forward. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay, anyone else, any doubt? Okay, okay, no doubt. Even if you have any doubt, slight doubt, small doubt, silly doubt, any type of doubt would work here. You can just unmute yourself. You can ask me if your mic is fine. Otherwise, you can write in chat box. Okay, I'll try to respond it. Okay, try to answer all your doubts to the best of my knowledge. Okay, let's move forward. Yeah, detailed explanation like that previous question already I have provided you. Importing and then defining the function, finding the maximum value, returning the maximum value. Okay. Yeah, and testing the function like I'm calling the function, it is known as testing the function. Yeah, let us go through our fifth question. Yeah, it is also related to NumPy only. Okay, it is also related to array, not with numpy. It's a numpy array, but the thing here is a concept is involved which is known as indexing. I have already told you what is indexing, how is it done. Now it is time for you to test your own knowledge. Okay, imagine you have a numpy array representing your monthly expenses for the past year. Each array element corresponds to the total expenses in dollars for a specific month. The task is to analyze and extract specific information. Okay, and there here the code is written import numpy is np. Okay, numpy array means I am importing numpy. Okay, it means it would be a numpy array. Okay, otherwise there is no need to import numpy. Okay, expenses array is there, np dot array, and this whole array is given to you. Okay, and now the thing here is how you would extract expenses for the second half of the year, July to December. Okay, a concept here is involved which is known as indexing. What do you mean by indexing? Like, just try to tell you here. Like, I am storing a particular uh, data in this array. It is a three element array. Okay, one, two, three, four. Let us suppose it. Some value is stored in each and every element. Okay. So particularly the indexing. Okay, means computer only understands zero, one only. Okay, it's in binary only. So the information for your understanding, I am telling you, array is like this. It's a single dimension array. If I will write some element before it, then it would be columns and rows, and it would be multiple dimension array, means two dimensional array. Similarly, it is three dimensional array. Okay, so the thing here is that indexing means the address of that particular cell. It starts from zero. Means if I am storing months, 4 months like January, February, March, April in this particular array, then January would be in number zero. Okay. Then in February would be in cell number one. Then March would be in cell number two. Then April would be in cell number three. Okay, this is known as indexing, means calling the address of that particular cell. And in case of an array, it starts from zero. Please try to remember this. So this concept is involved here. What I am trying to ask you, that I want to just calculate the print the expenses of the second half of the year. Okay, so what according to you would be the option? Even though you have you have told me something else and you want to correct yourself, then the facility is available. Please, okay? Because many of you would not be knowing this concept. Okay, you might have written something else. Now you want to correct, you can correct. Okay, there is no issue. Yeah, very good. Iswari has written explanation also and written her option also. Very nice. It is not a MSQ. Please give me only one option, okay? If it would be MSQ, I will tell you, okay? There is no issue. Yeah, yeah, good. Very good. If you want to revoke your previous option and you want to say something else, then you can just tell me what would be the correct option. I think most of you have got the point, okay? What do you mean by cell indexing, array indexing? It's a concept, okay? For your reference, this diagram would be here. I have saved it for you. Okay. Any more responses? Shall we move to the explanation? I think we should. Okay. Yeah. The option would be option A. Why it would be? Because already I have told you the array would start from zero. Okay. And it will go till 11 only. Okay. This is the thing here. So if I want to extract the expenses of the second half, okay, then I have to start from 6, okay, because seventh month would be July. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, yeah. Several ways I have told you in this particular thing. I will tell you three particular options by which you can print out the second half of the year. Okay, extract expenses of the second half of the year. Okay, first option is this only, like you can call it like here it is written, second half expenses is expenses array, then 6, then colon. Okay, means after 6 whatever values would be there, it would be transferred in this particular thing. Okay, this is the meaning here. Simplest and the most common approach is this only. This is known as slicing syntax. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, to extract elements from a specific starting index to the end of the array. Okay, this is known as slicing syntax. Okay, this is the thing here. Second and third options already also I will discuss with you how you can do it so that in exams you can never get confused. Okay, slicing with boolean mask. Don't look at that particular term. Okay, it might give you some type of phobia, but try to just see what the thing here is I am doing. Then we will discuss what is boolean masking. What I am telling you here, that I am addressing all the I am creating an array of month indices from 0 to 11, okay, by using this np dot arrange. Okay, it will give me the indexes of the all 12 months. Okay, then what I will do, second half mask means a particular variable I will create, and then that particular variable I'll try to transfer the indices which are having value greater than equal to 6. Why 6? Because the indices start from 0. Okay, then what I will do, I'll pass in the expenses array this particular parameter. Okay, and then I will say my second half expenses would be like this is another methodology. Okay, it is boolean masking. Boolean operations you must have heard, you must have read in your class 12th physics. Okay, similar thing which we are creating here. Okay, we are just giving a particular condition, and then in from that particular condition we are trying to extract the information. Okay, like this also facility is available for just for your particular own knowledge, not for solving this question. This question would have been solved if you know the concept of indexing. Okay, other option using fancy indexing, another option is also available here. Okay, in this particular option what I can do is that I can particularly create an array starting from 6 to 11. Okay, instead of this np dot arrange and writing these two lines, what I'm doing here is I am just creating an array by myself only. Okay, and then I am in the expenses array, I am passing these second half months, and I will get what would be my second expenses. Okay, this is known as fancy indexing. Okay, it can also be done. Okay, but the most favorable option would be this one only. Okay, it because why? See, in programming, the evaluation of your written code, whatever you write, whatever code you have written, okay, if I am evaluating that particular code, how I would how I will try to evaluate on the basis of the fewer number of lines which you have written. Okay, meaning is here is I am trying, you are trying to reduce the complexity, means your code is getting more efficient. Okay, so that is why we are introducing these type of functions and all things. Otherwise with logic we can always solve the programming questions. Okay, option 1 would, this option particularly would be the best, because here in only one line my operation is done. Okay, is it clear? Any other doubt? Any doubt in this particular question? Already I have told you. Okay, no doubt. Any doubt? You can ask me. There is no issue. Clear? Not clear? Nothing? Feeling sleepy? Doubt? No doubt? Nothing? What happened? Am I audible? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. No doubt is there. Okay. You don't want to expend your energy? No problem. I'll expend mine. Yeah. In this line of these particular questions, let us look at one more question. Identify the months where expenses exceed greater than $1,600. This particular code will run. Okay. This particular from this only. Okay. Where the expense would be greater than 1600. In continuation with this particular code only. Okay, you have to just identify the option. Try to just jot it down. Okay, if you are having a copy and pen, please try to jot it down. Okay, then the thing here would be just identify the months where expenses exceed $1,600. Okay, this is the thing here. Try to look at all the options A, B, C, and D. Okay, and if you have got the concept of indexing correctly, then in second you can answer this question. Okay, try to answer. Good. Two people say D. Very good. Some more should answer. Do you want to look at the previous code? If you have not jotted it down, I'll just tell you it once more. Should have copied it. Okay. Yeah, this one. This only. It is a simple thing. Import numpy is np. Okay. Expenses array np dot array I have provided you. Simple. Only two lines are there. Okay. Importing numpy is np, then expenses array, then numpy dot array, then the array I have declared, and then I want to ask you that in that particular array, out of these four options, which option would give me the months where expenses exceed dollar 600 1600? Okay, this is the thing here. Please try to answer. Yeah. B also has come. Okay, no issue. A, good. Why do you feel A?
So A has to be
A has to be
eliminated.
Yeah, A has to be eliminated. Yeah, great.
Out of B, C, D, there is one correct option.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good. Ratan Majhi and Ruxana Parveen, please, if you would like to amend your answers, you can amend. A would not be the option. It's saying less than 16,000, 1600, and the question is asking exceeding 1600. Okay, try to read the question very carefully. Okay, no issues there. Ratan Manji has already corrected himself. Ruxana Parveen would like to correct herself, please, if you can. It would be good. Your elimination power can give you option B and D, I think. So you can see it. While eliminating only, I think A and C can be eliminated. B and D would be the competitors, and out among those two only, the answer would be there. Okay. Roxana, please correct your answer if you would like to. Okay, A would not be the option. You can say anything between B, C, and D, but not A. D. Okay, now you are saying D. Great, good. Sir, how can C be eliminated? Good, very good. See, I am asking you identify the months where expenses exceed 1600. Okay. I am asking you months. How month would be printed? It should have some index in bracket. Okay. If I'll tell you it in great detail in the explanation of this question. But see, all the options have index like this zero. Okay. Which I am pointing you. This zero. Okay, it would give me the particular number or name or whatever I am storing the month. Okay, but this np dot where it will show error only. Okay, this is the thing here. Indexing is necessary. This is the thing here. Okay. Yeah. Definitely 100% your explanation is correct. Yeah. So then D is correct option because we don't have to include 1600. Include after that a greater number. No. This is not the thing here. We are not adding one because of that, because the indexing starts from zero. Okay, that is why we are adding one. Okay, yeah. Let me go through the explanation. Okay, then you will realize. Okay, the correct option would be high expenses months np dot where expenses array greater than 1600 indexing 0 plus 1. Okay, why it would be there? Try to understand it in great detail in this particular slide. Okay, out of the provided options, correct code to identify months where expenses exceeded $1,600 is high expense months np dot where expenses array greater than 1600 indexing 0 plus 1. Okay, np dot where expenses array greater than 1600, what it does, this part uses np dot where function. Please try to understand this. Np dot where function is being used here to find the indices of elements in the expenses array that are greater than $1,600. Okay, the expression within the parenthesis is a boolean comparison function. Okay, what we are doing here, we are just comparing the expenses array by using this greater sign operator, and I am writing a particular value after that. Okay, to find the indices of elements in the expenses array that are greater than 1600. Okay, the expression within the parenthesis is a boolean comparison that returns true for elements exceeding 1600 and false otherwise. Okay, indexing 0, this extracts the first dimension of the returned array. Okay, means what would be the number of that particular index, means number of that particular month. Okay, since np.where typically returns a two-dimensional array with the first dimension containing the row indices and the second dimension containing the column indices. Okay, first dimension would be the row, second would be that particular column. Okay, we only need the first dimension. Okay, that is what I was explaining you. Okay, that is why we have written 0 here. Okay, that is why we have written 0 here. We only need the first dimension for our one dimensional expenses array. Okay. Therefore, this code efficiently identifies the indices of the months with expenses exceeding 1600 in the expenses array. Okay. Breakdown of other options also I have provided you. Okay. This would identify the months with expenses less than or equal to 1600, not exceeding it, less than 1600. Okay, already we have eliminated it. Okay, greater than 1600, it is missing a comma after the expression, it would give me a syntax error. Okay, also here the demand of the question was to answer the number of the month, it would not give me that. Yeah, and this option would be correct. Why it would be correct? Because the indices start from 0. Adding 1 would return the month number instead of the actual indices. Okay, if I will say that the month was a month as 2 and it would be March, then you will not accept it because the index should be, the number of months should be 3. That is why we are adding 1 here. Okay, clear? Not clear? Any doubt? Please do ask. Clear? Good. Very good. Any doubts? Anyone? Please do ask.
सर एक बार शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
Yeah, I'll explain you. I have taught you the concept of indexing. Okay, indexing means in the array, in a horizontal table, in a particular row of a table, the data is stored from uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not like this.
0 to
The
n minus
index.
1.
What? Please do repeat.
सर वो इंडेक्सिंग में 0 से n minus 1 तक स्पीड होता है.
Exactly. From 0 to n minus 1. Okay, the concept is clear here. Then what I am trying to ask you, that I am trying to ask you the months where expenses exceed $1,600. Okay, so that is why the index is starting from 0, not from 1. That is why I have added 1 here in option number D. Okay, and then I have put the condition np dot where expenses array is greater than 1600. This will give me the row as well as the column number, but only I want the row number. Okay, not the entire column. I don't want the entire column. That is why I have written 0 in the index. Okay, this is the thing here. Then I have transferred this whole information in a variable which is high expenses months. Then I will print that. Okay, clear? Not clear? Any doubt?
सर लेकिन हमने तो सिंगल डायमेंशनल एरे का क्वेश्चन किया नहीं.
Yeah. We have done it. Yeah. For single dimension only. But I am
सर तो
explaining you.
उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो सर ऑप्शन बी होना चाहिए ना फिर.
No. No. It would not be B because the index is starting from zero. Na? I am
यस सर.
telling you that identify the month. Okay. That is what I told you. If the index is starting from zero, then zero is January. Okay. And I am telling you that which month. So month would be one only. Na? That is why we are adding one with it. This is the meaning here. Okay. Clear? Not clear?
यस सर.
Clear now? Good. Index is starting from 0. 0 would be January, then February would be 1. Okay. But here I am expecting you that you give me the number of the month. Okay. So that is why I am adding 1. Okay. Clear? Not clear? Any more doubt? Please do ask.
यस सर अंडरस्टूड.
Understood? Good. Any more doubt? Anyone? Why people are so silent? Please don't feel sleepy. Yeah, like this also in emojis, you can tell me that you have understood. Otherwise, please. Yeah, Sadaf has raised hand. Where is he? Let me see to it. No, he has lowered hand also. Any doubt, anyone? Understood? Not understood? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. Now I have seen 3, 4 good thumbs up emojis. That is why I think that it is clear. Okay. If it is not clear, please don't hesitate. I am here for you guys only. Please do ask. I don't punish anyone for asking doubts. I encourage them so that your understanding would be built and you can answer these type of tricky questions very easily in the examination. That is why we are conducting these particular doubt sessions. Okay, for your practice only. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Still? No doubt? No doubt. Good. Very good. Yeah. In the same line, if you have understood the past questions, now the question here is calculate the average expenses for the first quarter of the year. That particular two lines I would like to repeat. Import numpy as np, then particularly I am saying, I'll just walk you through. Okay. Yeah, these particular two lines, import numpy is np, then I'm declaring expenses array, it's a particular variable. Then I'm saying np dot array, and then I am passing this whole list inside it. Okay. These two lines will continue. Okay. Please jot them down. And then my question for the day would be this: calculate the average expenses for the first quarter of the year. First quarter of the year, and the index would start from 0 only. Quarter means 4 months. Okay, one fourth of a year is quarter. What would be my option? Okay, index starts from 0 only. Please try to remember. I have already told you. Okay, please do answer.
Sir, quarter
Sir,
will be of
quarter
three
will be
months
of three
only.
months only.
Quarter would be of 3 months. Okay, why?
Sir, 12
Sir,
months in
12
a year.
months in a year.
Yeah, it would be of 3 months only. Okay, good. Can it be of 4 months also?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why no?
Sir, because
Sir, because
4 months of
four
a
months
year are
of a
one
year
third
are
of,
one
out
third
of the year.
out of the year.
Yeah, it would be from 3 months only. But can it be? I am asking you.
Sir, I don't
Sir, I
think.
don't think.
No, if you increase the number of months, na, then it can be for 4 months. In Christian calendar only, it would be true. Sorry for the mistake. But particularly, we are having various types of calendars. So in any particular calendar, that would be true. Then it can be of 4 months or 5 months only. So yeah,
Yes, sir,
yeah,
if
it
you
is.
can
If you
increase the
can
month,
increase
then
the
it
month,
can
then it
be of
can
Yeah,
be
any
of
type
yeah,
number of
yeah,
months.
number
yeah,
of months.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, very nice. Sometimes when we try to teach, we accidentally or knowingly tell you some wrong facts in order to check your this and alertness. Okay, that is the thing here. Good. Number of months would be 16. Good. Can be 20 also. Can be anything. Okay, let us look. What would be the correct option? Yeah, the correct option would be NP dot mean expenses array, then colon, then 3. Till 3 we would go. Okay. Yeah, A and D you can eliminate. Yeah, B and C would be correct, and out of them, it would be the correct option. Why? Yeah, yeah, all options we have provided here. First quarter average, okay, we can provide here. Okay, most common approach till 4 you can go with it. Okay, but here the indexing exceeds by 1 month. This is the major drawback in our first option. Okay, second option would be giving the average of first two elements. Okay, okay, which wouldn't represent the actual first quarter, which is from January to March, January, February, and March. Okay, it will not give you that. Okay, this is the
Sir,
thing
I
here.
want to
Sir,
ask
I
that
want to ask that
why
why
the second
the
option
second
can't be
option
true.
can't be true.
Second option wouldn't be true because it will give you only the first two elements. Okay.
Sir, but it
Sir,
is
but
going
it is
from
going
zero,
from
one,
zero,
2.
one,
So
two.
it is
So it is
containing
containing
three months.
3 months.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the thing here. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just see. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If index is starting from 0, then definitely it would be from 0 to 2. Yeah, definitely. 100%. I'll just clarify this question. Okay. I'll just clarify this question. Then with the full means all the three questions combined, I'll try to build a Jupyter notebook and I'll try to just see. Okay. Please leave it. Okay. I myself have to see that which option would be correct. Please bear with me. Okay. Yeah. I'll just see it. Okay. Uh, yeah. Option B might be more suitable. If index starts from 0, then option C wouldn't be there. Okay. Good, good. This is correct. Indexing, if it starts from 1, then option C. And if indexing starts from 0, then it would be option B. Okay. This is my explanation for this particular question. Yeah. It would be option B. Very sorry for the confusion. Okay, it would be option B. Yeah. Okay. Clear now? Not clear. It would be option B. Very sorry for the confusion. It would be option B. It would not be option C. There is a bit confusion here. I have marked it as option C. It would be option B. Okay. Danish, you are saying something, but I am not able to hear. Please try to type. Okay. Very sorry for the confusion. I'll just clarify. After the class, try to see these notes. In that particular notes, I'll correct it. Okay. There is no issue. Danish, please type. I am waiting for you. Can move to the next question in this series of questions. The correct option would be B only. Okay. Because indexing, if it is starting from 0 to 2, then for the quarter, we have to wait till 2. Okay. Or see the option number B. Any doubt, Danish? You were trying to say something. Any doubt, anyone? It would be option B. It would not be option C. Very sorry for the mistake. Okay, I think we can move to the next question. Yeah, this is a fresh question. Okay, there is no particular error in marking. Choose the correct option for result. Import pandas as PD. Data is defined as an array. Okay, list within an array or whatever you want to say. It's a data frame. Okay, this is what I can say. It is having three things: product, category, home, product, category, and price. Okay. Sir, will it be mentioned in the question that the indexing starts from 0 or 1, or by default to take it as 0? By default, it would be taken as 0. Okay. If indexing is starting from particular place, it would be mentioned in the question, but by default, it starts from 0. This is true for all the programming languages, whether it is Python, C, C++, C Sharp, any language. Okay. In Java also, yeah, I have seen it. It starts from 0 by default. Okay. This is the thing here. Yeah, just try to shift your focus to this question. Yeah, it is having a particular data frame in the form of data. Okay, the name of the data frame is data. Yeah, it's pandas data frame, and in these it has been declared. Okay, then what I'm saying it I am making this data frame as data pandas data frame. Then I am grouping it by the name of category. Okay, then what I am saying is I'm printing some result. Okay, by grouping the okay, aggregating the things, and then I am renaming, and then I am printing the result. Okay, I'll just tell you what is the question. Okay, I want you to predict the output of this particular question. Please take time. It is a bit lengthy question. Okay, yeah. First, the thing here is I am importing pandas library. Pandas is a particular library in Python which is used to deal with data frames. Okay, means like this table is there, category, total revenue, average price, and some indexing is mentioned here. Okay, 0, 1, 2 serial number or indexing, whatever you want to say, it is mentioned here. Okay, like product is there, lot of products are there. Okay, category is there. Okay, price is there. Then sales df is pd dot data frame and data, it is there. Okay, then grouping is there, then result is there. Okay, what would be the output? Okay, how grouping is done: price, on the basis of price, sum and mean is being declared here for all the particular categories. Okay, then what I am doing, I am renaming the columns, and I am printing three particular columns, means category, then total revenue, then average price. Okay, and then I am printing this particular result. Okay, this is the meaning here. I am rewriting all the columns of that particular result, and then I am printing the result. Okay, please try to solve this particular question. I think if you will try to understand it, it is saying that in these particular three categories, okay, clothing, electronics, and home, my all products would be categorized. Okay, and pricing is already there for each and every product. Okay, so what I'm trying to print is total revenue and average price. It will take some time, take 5 minutes time, but try to answer this question. This is important for you. Okay, might be the favorite question of the examiners. Okay, it's an important question, please try to answer. Take 5 minutes time, I'll just be back. Okay, please try to answer, try to calculate what would be the total revenue, what would be the average price, then only you can answer this question. Okay, it's a theoretical question, it will take some time. Products are mentioned here, A, B and C, three categories are there. Okay, electronics, clothing and home, and pricing of each and every product is mentioned here. What you have to do is make a table like this only. Okay, take the category names and what will be the total revenue. Okay, if the product is A, it would be of electronics and the pricing would be 500. If it is B, it would come under clothing, and similarly the pricing for that particular product would be 40. Okay, like that. Again it would be electronics, the pricing, uh, since it is A, it would be electronics and the pricing would be 600. Similarly, you have to calculate the total revenue and average price for each and every product. Okay, please try to answer this particular question. Okay, yeah. Option A. Are you getting total revenue of like value is this much only? If you are getting, then it is fine. Otherwise, I don't think so. Please recalculate. There is no difficulty here. It's a good question. It's a simple one, though. Yeah. Now you have gone through it seriously. Mhm. Good. Can you just, if you have calculated, can you just tell me what your values are? Why are you saying D? What is the total revenue in clothing, then electronics, then home? Or you just tell me the average value only. There is no issue. Keep the order same: clothing, electronics, and home. Yeah, clothing 105. Great. Can just match it. I have also calculated. There is no doubt. I have calculated. Okay. Option A, please try to calculate once again, Rahul. Please try to calculate. If you are getting all the three values same, then you tell me. Yeah, you just say that it would be option A. Otherwise, please try to correct. Take your time. I am giving you 2-3 minutes more. There is no issue. Clothing 105, electronics to 130. Okay, good, great, very great. Great, great. Mm. Just like Sadaf, if anyone else would like to just say it, please you can say it. What would be the options? Yeah, yeah, I got it. 105 to 130 to 70. Yeah, 35, then 532.5, then 90. Okay. Let me tell you what would be the correct explanation answer. Okay. It would be D, none of the above. Why? Because the correct result I have provided you: 105, 35 to 130, 532.5, and 270, then 90. Okay. Sadaf Rizwan has written it. Okay. You can see here also. He has calculated it perfectly fine. Okay. This is the thing here. The correct option for the result is this category. Three different categories already I have provided you: clothing, electronics, and home. Total revenue you can just calculate. Okay, there is no issue. Then average price, just by dividing the total revenue by the number of items which were there in a particular category, you will get average price. Okay. The chosen code successfully groups the data by category, calculates the desired statistics for each category, and presents the results in a clear and informative table format. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, Other options are incorrect. Okay. Yeah. Why they are incorrect? I have written you. Okay. A, B, and C. Okay. Yeah. They are incorrect because the values are incorrect. Don't go for the explanations. And regarding this previous question, okay, I'd like to clarify. Okay. Option B would be the correct option because indexing by default starts from 0. Okay. And if it starts by from 1, then the option would be C. Okay. The option here correct, the correct option here would be B. Okay. By mistake, I have marked it at C. Okay. I'll just rewrite this explanation accordingly. Okay. When you will go through the PDF, you will see. Okay. There is no issue. Yeah. Now let us look at our this question. What is the primary goal of K anonymity in data privacy? First question and ninth question, they are already same. In the explanation of first question, I have already told you what do you mean by K anonymity. Just try to answer this question. Option A is ensure that every attribute in the dataset is unique. Option B is prevent unauthorized access to the dataset. Option C is minimize the amount of data collected. And option D is making it difficult to link specific individuals to their records. Okay, this is the thing. Please try to answer. Please try to answer. It's about K anonymity. And I have already told you what do we mean by that. Okay. Yeah. Definitely, 100%, it would be option D. Yeah, making it difficult to link specific individuals to their records. Okay. Primary goal of K anonymity in data privacy is making it difficult to link specific individuals to their records. Okay, this is the thing here. Why other options are incorrect? Because option A was to ensure that every attribute in the data set is unique. No, this is not the main goal of K anonymity. Okay. While some techniques may involve modifying values to create uniqueness, the primary purpose is to make individuals hard to identify. Okay, not necessarily make every attribute unique. Okay. Option B was prevent unauthorized access to the dataset. This is more about data security than K anonymity. Okay. K anonymity focuses on the data itself, not its availability. Okay. Option C was minimize the amount of data collected. Okay, this was the option C. While data minimization can be a component of privacy solutions, K anonymity specifically works on existing data to protect individual identities. Okay, K anonymity aims to achieve its goal by modifying data within certain boundaries while still maintaining its usefulness for analysis. Okay, for example, by generalizing age ranges or suppressing zip codes, it becomes harder to pinpoint a specific individual within the anonymized data set. This already I have told you how date of birth and various other attributes were combined. Okay, then coding and by decoding and coding, she was able to achieve 87% accuracy. Okay, in medical data set. Okay, I have already told you. Okay, this was the thing here. Okay, so K anonymity is primarily concerned with linking, unlinking individuals from their records. Okay, not necessarily ensuring other aspects of data privacy. This is the meaning here. Okay, yeah. So your this question would be 10th question would be what will be the output of the below code? Please try to answer it. Okay, Import numpy as np, import matplotlib. Matplotlib is also a library in Python. Dot pyplot as plt, time equal to np dot line space. I've already told you what do you mean by this. Then 0 to 2, then in I have multiplied it by np dot pi, means pi value means 3.14. Okay, then 1000, then amplitude, then frequency I have provided both as 1, then sine wave amplitude multiplied by np dot sine, frequency into time, then plt dot figure, then figure size as provided I have already provided you as 8 and 6, then plt dot plot, time sine wave. Okay, then color I have already given you, then plt dot title I have provided you, plt dot x label, plt dot y label, plt dot legend, and plt dot grid, and plt dot show, means it will show the graph. Okay, what would be the output? First option is it would be a plot consisting of sine wave, then option B, a plot consisting of cosine wave, option C, logical error in the code, or option D, no of the above. Please try to answer it. Well, very clearly it is mentioned in this particular code only that what would be the output. Please try to answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you are saying logical error in the code. Please point out the error. If you are saying it like logical error in the code, you have to point it out also. Please try to point it out. Where you see that this is the error, please try to point it out. Okay. Some people say it A, some people say it C. Okay. Let us wait few more minutes. Option A. Miss Kiranmai, you have given option C. Will you like to please point out what is the logical error? Why do you feel so? Just if you please like to give me either in comments or by unmuting yourself. I just want to know how do you feel about this code? Means why do you feel option C? Yeah, sir, where is the print command? Very good. At the last line, plt dot show, plot dot show, and I have imported matplotlib as plot. Plt. Here is the print command. Plt dot show will show me the plot. If you would like to further modify your answer, you can modify. Okay. I was a bit surprised, that is why I asked. Good. Yeah. The correct option here would be a plot consisting of sine wave. Okay, let us go through each and every line by line. Okay. First one was importing libraries. We have imported NumPy for numerical operations. Okay. Then we have imported matplotlib, okay, as plt, okay. Then we are generating time values by using this line space, okay. Then we are creating 1000 evenly spaced values between 0 and 2 pi. 2 pi is 6.28, okay. Between these two values we are creating one full period of line of sine waves having 1000 evenly distributed values, okay. Then we are setting amplitude and frequency, amplitude as 1, then frequency as 1. Then we are calculating sine wave values, okay. Sine wave is amplitude multiplied by np dot sine frequency into time, okay. This is the expression. We are calculating the sine wave values, okay, using numpy dot sine function. Np dot sine we have used here, okay. Yeah, then we are creating the plot. How? Plot dot figures. Figure size is 8 comma 6, okay. Creating a figure with dimensions 8 by 6 inches, okay. Then plt dot plot, okay. Plots the sine wave values against time with a blue line and a label, okay. Label would be sine wave, okay. Line color would be blue, okay. Then plt dot title, it is sets the plot title as sine wave. Then plt dot x label, it would be time, okay. Plt dot y label means the y label of the plot would be amplitude, okay. Then plt dot legend, it would show us the legend. If you want, you can just write this command, okay. Then plt dot grid, it would add grid to the plot, okay. Plt dot show, it would give me the display the plot, okay, or the print command, okay. Yeah, this would be my output. Here very clearly you can see I have defined the sine wave, okay. Here if you will like to see, the periodicity is of the sine wave is 2 pi, okay. Exactly at this point, particular point 6.28. From this onwards my sine wave is getting repeated. This is the meaning here. Amplitude, frequency, both are 1, okay. This is the thing here. Clear? Any doubt? This is how you can print sine wave. Similarly, you can try with cosine wave, or you can try with your own particular data set or your particular own data. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt in these
Sir, I am
questions?
having doubt.
Yeah, yeah. Please ask.
Sir, actually, this subject is privacy and security in online social media. But sir, we are studying the output of code and sine waves. So this is
Hmm.
very confusing.
This is confusing to you. I understand it, but the thing here is we can always have to learn about basic Python. Okay, these courses are in-depth courses, okay. So when you will try to understand basic python, you will try to solve the questions of basics of python, then you can always use some advanced functions. I will try to show you how these particular basic functions are being used to solve some advanced problems. These are basics of python. These questions, for the theory part, you can always refer to the lectures which are being released, okay. From these particular lectures only we have framed these questions for you guys, okay. This might be confusing to you because as far as my knowledge, you have not gone through the lectures. Please try to go through the lectures, then come back, okay. Try to revisit the questions, then you will feel a lot more comfortable. First you have to be very thorough with the basics, then you can go with the advanced questions, okay. The practical utility I'll try to explain you, okay, just
Sir,
in a
watching
few
the
more things.
included lectures is enough to solve these kind of problems or not?
Please repeat.
Sir, I am asking that if I will ask, if I will watch the uploaded lecture for this subject, then will it be
Sorry,
enough?
your voice is breaking. Please type it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your voice is breaking. I am not able to listen it clearly. If someone else has listened, please just type is what he is trying to say. As far as my knowledge, I haven't heard him. Okay. Any doubt? Any more doubt in this question? Then let us move forward. If your doubts are clear, okay, try to revisit all these particular questions. One doubt is there, I will just clarify it, okay. Try to see the output myself, okay. Yeah, yeah. From this particular implementation of Python, we have gone through, I think, four questions, two questions in each session I give you. Okay. Yeah. First four questions have been dealt. Okay. Yeah. Let us move to this fifth question. Okay. Yeah. This question. Okay. Just try to see this particular question. Yeah. What will be the output of this code show? Okay. This is the my question. These questions, 10 questions were from your lectures. These particular questions, two questions in every session, I have framed for you guys so that you can learn about the practical implementation of the Python programming in this particular course. Okay, privacy and security in online social media. So, how we are using our particular Python programming to analyze the data as well as to for our research purpose and for our for building our own understanding also, and for improving the uh, these online social media platforms. I have framed particular questions for you. Okay, try to go through this particular question. It is an interesting question. What will be the output of this code show? Okay, option A is detailed analysis of comments and their sentiment on the Instagram post. Option B is a histogram visualizing the distribution of like, share, comment, and all these things. And C is the overall engagement rate of the post as a percentage and individual counts. Option D is a comparison of post engagement with other similar posts on Instagram. Already, I have told you that in the comments, I have provided you the detailed explanation as well as what this code is doing. Okay, just you have to tell me what would be the correct option. Please try to see the comments after hash, whatever it is written, it is not compiled by the Python. Okay, so it is just for your understanding as well as providing you the hint to this question. Okay, yeah. Please try to solve this question. Yeah, Danish was asking something. Sir, if I will watch the uploaded lectures of this week, then I will then will it be sufficient to solve these type of questions? 110%. Python from very basic is covered in these lectures. I hope that you have not gone through the lecture. That is why you are facing some type of difficulty. Please go through them. Okay. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 content is already been released. Okay, in great detail, in more great whatever I am telling you in this particular 2 or 3 hour duration, much greater detail in as compared to this is Python is being taught there. Okay, it's a prerequisite to this course. That is why we are going through these type of questions. Okay, this question as well as printing the sine wave curve. Okay, these all questions are being dealt in much great detail in the video lectures. You can watch them, then you can revisit. There is no issue here. Okay, but please try to develop your understanding. Some people are saying B, some people are saying C. Danish, is it clear? Any more doubt? Then please type. Okay, your mic is somewhat echoing. Yeah, some people say B, some people say C. Go through the code line by line. Try to answer this question. Danish, you are trying to say something, then please say. Your voice is echoing, that is why you can just type if you are uncomfortable with that. Okay. Option B, option C. Okay. Both have got good response. Option B and option C. Okay. Okay. Let us look at what would the correct option. The overall engagement rate of a post as a percentage and individual counts. This would be the correct option. Okay. Uh, Asad and Tamanna S both have written option B. If in one two line, please, if you would like to clarify what made you think it so, I would be very happy to listen. Okay, rest people have said C. I do see what their thought process is. But please, if you would like to tell me your thought process, I will be very happy to know about it. Why have you thought it like option B? A histogram visualizing the distribution of likes, comments, and shares. If you would like to go through the code, entire code once again, here nowhere histogram is being printed. So why have you written it like that? Please, if you would like to tell me, then I can correct your thought process. That is why I wanted to ask you if you would like to answer me. Sir, I did not show any percentage calculation, so initially chose B. Please be very careful with it. Okay. Engagement rate is being printed here in percentage with percent sign. See, fourth last line in the code. Why were you not able to say it? Might be due to some mistakes. Don't overlook the code. Okay. Already I have told you, don't be in a hurry. I give you enough time. Okay, just go through the code line by line. Okay, this is the thing here. Don't try to make those silly mistakes. Okay, everything is written here. If I remove the comment, then it becomes difficult. In examination, comments would be removed 110%. Okay, yeah, only you would be provided code, and on the basis of code you have to answer this type of questions. Okay, so please, whatever mistakes you are committing here, don't commit those same mistakes there. Okay, let me walk you through this whole code. Yeah, from BS4, okay, we are importing this beautiful soap, then we are importing request. Then already I've told you what is the flow. We have to check for the URL. URL is here is universal resource locator. Then we are sending request. Then we are getting the HTML content. Means authorization part here is done. Okay. Then we are finding elements for like, comments, and shares. Okay, like this you can find out. Okay, then we are converting the string values to integers, likes, comments, and shares, because it would be great strings. Okay, then I will convert them, I will replace them with integers. Okay, then I will calculate what would be my overall engagement rate by combining all these three values, like, comment, share, divided by likes. Okay, this would be my engagement rate. Okay, it's just a parameter to calculate the engagement rate. You can calculate engagement rate according to your own parameters or according to your equations. Okay, totally depends on you what how you want to define the engagement rate. Okay, here I have defined on the basis of likes. Okay, then I am printing what is my engagement rate. Okay, as percent, then like and comment and share. This is what is reflected in option C. The overall engagement rate of the post is a percentage and individual counts. Okay, this is the thing here. This is the correct option. Okay. Now let us look at our last question of the day. Okay. This explanation I already have told you. Okay. Last question for the day would be, what is the main limitation of this approach for detecting fake news? Okay. This is the practical aspect of this course. That is why I have built these type of questions for you, so that you can develop your own understanding how we are implementing practically. Okay. Python programming we are implementing practically here. Yeah. What is the main limitation of this approach for detecting fake news? I have made a program for it, and you have to define me what is the limitation. Okay. The model might be biased based on the trading data used. Okay. It relies solely on textual features and doesn't consider other factors like source or image analysis. C option is it requires a large amount of labeled data for effective training and accuracy. D option is all of the above. And code is written in front of you. Okay. Yeah. Please try to answer it. Please take your time, go through the question very carefully, okay? And then on the basis of your understanding, try to answer this question, okay? Hmm. Any guesses? Any response? Very easily you can find the answer. Yeah, very safe approach from Asad. He says all of the above. Very safe to play with. sklearn, it is again a Python library. Okay. Yeah. From that we are importing this vectorizer. Okay. Then from sklearn linear model we are importing logistic regression. Then we are loading the training data with the labeled news articles. Okay, we are already labeled the articles as fake or real. Okay, data is stored as a pandas data frame in news data.cv csv file. Okay, then training features would be text and label. Okay, labels would be under the head label, and training features would be under the label text. Okay, then vectorizer is there, features, then model. Okay, logistic regression fit I have made. Okay, the new article text I am claiming it as sensational claim, politician involved in shocking scandal. Okay, converting text to features and predict its label. Okay, news features, then prediction, then printed label for new article. Okay, then it is prediction. This is the flow here. Okay, I hope you have read it. What the code is doing. Okay, what the limitation is there. If I ask you the output, then it becomes easier. Earlier, some of you were saying that remove the comments, then we can answer. We will try to answer. Here I have provided you the comments also, but you have to give me the limitation. Okay, try to answer. Yeah, you feel D. Let us look. What would be the correct option? It would be D only. Okay. See, try to see here. The model might be biased. What do you mean by biasness? Means it would be edged. Means it would be deflected towards one side. Okay, based on the training data used. Okay, whenever I am using labeling data or labeled data, the main drawback here is this only. Okay, my model might be biased based on the training data which I have used. Okay, whether if I am classifying something as fake, whether I am classifying something as real, it is based on my own opinion, and my opinion might be biased. This is the meaning here. Okay, it relies solely on textual features and doesn't include other factors like source or image analysis. Okay, we always look for image analysis also while classifying a particular information or particular news as fake or real. Okay, then option C was it requires a large amount of label data for effective training and accuracy. This is the thing here. Okay, and combination of this is option D. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, this was your last question for the day. Okay, yeah. Any doubts? Anything in this or in previous session? Please do ask. I'm here for you guys. Okay. This is the end. Otherwise, you may kindly leave. Okay. Any suggestions you would like to provide? Please do provide. There is no hurry. I am here for you. Any suggestions, any doubts, any queries, any career related queries, any queries related to this course? All are admissible. from now onwards. Okay.
Sir, can you explain the pattern of that will be conducted?
I think you are asking about the pattern of the examination. Okay. Please try to go through all the assignments. Okay. Try to go through all the practice sessions which we are conducting. This will give you the idea of the questions. Okay. Exact pattern of the examination. Please try to contact our NPTEL team. They would be in a better position to ask you that will it be completely multiple choice questions or will it be theoretical or a mixture would be there. Please try to contact them. Okay, they would be in a better position to ask answer you. Okay, the pattern gets changed each and every year, so I am not aware of that. Okay, any more doubts, any suggestions, any comments, anything? Thank you, sir, for another wonderful session. Thank you so much, Asad. Thank you for joining. Please do join next week at the same time. Okay. Thank you. Provide the Excel sheet link. Okay. I'll provide you just here. This is the thing. You'll open it. You will get all the lecture videos as well as the PDFs. Okay. Yeah, I am taking classes once in a week. Yeah, this is true. Any doubts? Any suggestions? Anything? Any queries? Anything? If anything is there, please do ask me. Otherwise, please do kindly leave. Okay. Join the same time. Okay. Next session, next week. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Danish. I didn't read your comment. Okay. Okay. If you like my teaching, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay. Any more thing you like to say? Any doubt? Any query? Okay, if no doubt, let me end this call. Okay, thank you everyone. Oh, I wanted to ask, am I doing PhD there? Yeah, I'm a research scholar. That's correct. Yeah, I am at IIT Kharagpur. I have already shared this information at the beginning of my session. Please do join at appropriate time. Means at the beginning only. You should try to join. Okay. Session is from 3 to 5, sometimes 5:30. Okay, sometimes 6 also. I have shared this information with you. I am from IIT Kharagpur. I'm a research scholar at Agriculture and Food Engineering Department. Okay. Any more doubt? Anything? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. I'll end the call for you all. Okay. Thank you.